Hello students of class 6. I will continue with the portion water, land and air. So in the last video I started with the composition of the atmosphere. In this video I will continue with the composition of the atmosphere only. In the last video discussed about the gases and the water vapor. In this video I will start with the dust particles. So the air contains the dust particles, and along with the dust particles, other particles like pollens, then bacteria, then smoke particles, etc. are also present in our atmosphere in variable amount. Okay, so the dust particle is another major element of the atmosphere. It consists of the dust, but it's not only it consists of the dust particles, but other particles like pollen, bacteria, smoke particles are also present in the variable amount in this atmosphere. So this atmosphere is of immense importance to all the living beings on the earth surface. It is impossible for any living being to sustain life without it. Okay, so if there was no atmosphere, there would have been, if there is no presence of atmosphere, there wouldn't have been any earth also, because the most important thing that is required for us to live is the air. We get it from this atmosphere itself. So life on the earth is possible only because of the presence of the atmosphere. If there would have been no presence of the atmosphere, then the earth would also have been like dull and lifeless, like all other planets that are present in our solar system. The most important gases that are present in the atmosphere are this oxygen, then nitrogen, then CO2, are very important for both plants and animals. Without these gases like this oxygen, nitrogen, carbon dioxide, animals or plants wouldn't have been able to survive at all. The ozone layer that is present in the stratosphere protects us from the effect of harmful ultraviolet rays. So if there wouldn't have been any atmosphere, then the ultraviolet radiation would have reached the earth, causing a severe burning effect on the skin of the man. This atmosphere also acts as an insulator and protect us from the direct rays of the sun also. Without the atmosphere, our earth would have experienced extremes of temperature between day and night. Life, if the situation would have like this, then the life would have perished on the earth. Similarly, like the air, if there was no water vapor or dust particles on the or in the atmosphere, we could not have enjoyed the cooling effect of soothing rain or appreciated the fantastic colors of the sunrise and the sunset. The atmosphere actually acts as a shield and protect us from all the negative effects. So that is the reason the atmosphere is very important for our survival. So this is the end of this video. I'll continue with the next of the portion in the next video. Thank you everyone.